Hi dear friends, today I would like to share with you how do you decide what is the right career for you? What are you meant to be? Where should you go? How will you flourish? All these questions are very important questions, and if you're unsure, it becomes very difficult to really move ahead in your career, right? So I'm Nuthan from NT Life Coaching, and I'm here today to tell you how do you decide what's the right career for you? Where are you meant to be? Where will you really grow and flourish? Ready? So, dear friends, there are few very important aspects of your life which you should know about when you're choosing a career. First, it's about the intellectual capability, which is called as your aptitude. If you know that you're intelligent enough to do all the things which are required in the job based on the education that you've taken, then you should do it. I'll give you an example. You will say, of course, you passed. How will I not have the intellect? That doesn't work, right? So I remember this, and not only them, I think so many of them, when they choose engineering, they somehow just manage to clear the papers. There are people who in the last semester have a bulk of 10, 12, 13 papers that they are just clearing. Somehow they are managing to remember, memorize, and then give the exam. Now tell me, how good are you going to be in an engineering job when you know that you're not intelligent enough for that job? Will it help you? No, it will not help you. So the first important thing is really know what level of intelligence which is required for this career you are good at, right? So that's the first thing. That's in career counseling word, it's called as aptitude. So what's your aptitude? That's the first thing you need to find out. Second, it's about your motivation, your interest. I think that's more crucial than your intellect, because you may not be that intelligent enough, but if you have the drive, you'll be able to learn everything which is required for that job. So that's the next thing. Find out what are you motivated towards, what do you love to do, what do you enjoy the most. If you get to know that, then that's the second factor that you need to consider while choosing a career for yourself. And this choice can be made at any age, any stage of your life. The third important thing to know is your personality. Now, I will give you an example of what do I mean by this. For example, I'm an introvert. I don't like mixing with people. I like to remain in my small little domain. And I'm put into the job of sales and marketing. What's going to happen to me? I may enjoy the creativity part of marketing, but when I'm out there on the field and I don't enjoy connecting to people, every day it will be such a big fear. It will stop me from moving out and doing that sales call. So if you're an introvert, you're not meant for sales, right? Similarly, I'm a person who loves to connect to people. I'm an extrovert. I just can't sit at one place. I want to go out there and talk to people, find out their opinion, share about my product services. This is where my energy levels go high. And I'm in an operation job. Imagine what will happen to that person. Or I am put into a desk job where I'm just filling forms. What is going to happen to me? So dear friends, personality is also very, very important. So if you want to choose the right career, look at these three things. One, your aptitude, that's your intellectual capability. Second, it is about your motivation or drive. What do you really love to do? Third, it's about your personality. How do you find that out? There are so many such career assessment tests available. And not only it's about just doing the test. You know, it is like you're ill, you go to a path lab, you get the test done and the report has come and you're happy with that. Will that help? No. It's important that you take that report, go to the doctor, show it to him and let the doctor do the diagnosis on what is the illness and what is the treatment. So just don't take a career test, but go to a company where you have an experienced counselor. Look at that counselor's credibilities. He cannot just be a MA psychologist. The counselor's credibility on who's really checked and seen a corporate life. He would be able to analyze your report. He knows what is happening in the world and he'll give you the right advice on what is the career that you should choose or you should take up so that you will do very well in your life. So dear friends, going back again, first, check your intellectual capability. Second, look at your motivation and drive. Third, look at your personality. Take a career assessment test and then go to the right experienced career counselor. It's a huge decision that you need to make. So please select the right counselor and then choose your career. That is the best way to decide which is the right career for you, where are you meant to be, so that you can be happy and you can be successful. Thank you very much for listening to me. I'm Nutan from ND Life Coaching. Thank you for tuning into my channel and listening to these tips. Have a great day.